Hi, Pauric here at McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 221 Toyota Yaris. This is the hybrid Luna model, finished in ash grey metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €180 and is taxed up until February 23. It's sold with 3 free services and the balance of the manufacturer's warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard with the daytime running lights. It's got the 15-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got extremely clean bodywork also. It's got a nice sized boot for a hatchback. Protective boot liner also. It's got plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats. It's got the keyless entry and the keyless start. It's got electric windows. It's got the automatic lights. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in cruise control, phone, radio controls and the voice commands. It's got a touchscreen radio with the built-in Bluetooth. It's also got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Reversing camera built in. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. It's got the air conditioning. USB port. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox. It's got the car SOS function for emergencies. There's just 4,346 kilometers on the clock. And it's finished in a navy and a grey cloth interior. And it's got the front armrest also. At McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs on this Yaris. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and you can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.